Cuyahoga County's Juvenile Court wants more money to help check out the backgrounds of new employees.
It comes months after 5 On Your Side investigators exposed big problems in those background checks. 5 On Your Side investigator Scott Knoll live in the newsroom with more on the court's request.
Yeah, back in June, we exposed that 2 former juvenile court employees were let go by previous employers after problems there. Both then went to Cuyahoga County's Juvenile Detention Center and had even more problems. Judge Scott Knoll from Channel 5. Just want to talk to you about the hiring practices of the court. Back in June, Administrative Judge Kristen Sweeney didn't want to answer our questions about juvenile court's background check breakdowns. But now it's Sweeney doing the asking, wanting Cuyahoga County taxpayers to cover the cost of a new position focused on background checks.
And we've had some issues with that, candidly. And so I want to make sure that we are hiring people who really want to be here and who are safe.
In June, 5 On Your Side investigators exposed how the court hired former detention director Delbert Montgomery just months after he was fired by the state of Georgia. Administrators there writing his actions put the safety of children in danger. A juvenile court spokeswoman said she never saw the documents we received. That was just weeks after Montgomery was fired by the court after just 8 months on the job. The same spokeswoman said the court did not find anything concerning at the time former detention officer Leonor Rivera was hired. Rivera was fired by the court in 2017 after a teen said she threw urine on him. We found Rivera was removed from a similar job at a state facility 2 years earlier, accused of breaking a number of rules, including bringing contraband into the facility and having an inappropriate relationship with a teen she supervised. Sweeney told counsel the court already has 5 people working in human resources, but said the new position was needed to make sure, in her words, there was nothing lurking in an applicant's background as a time bomb.
These human resources positions are necessary to make sure that there's not some file out there in some previous employer that's not listed as a personnel file that we don't know about.
We got all the records that went into making our story by making public records requests for personnel and discipline files. The copies and postage cost us less than $13. The new position the court wants to create would pay about $43,000 a year plus benefits. Live in the newsroom, I'm 5 On Your Side investigator Scott Knoll.